The myth has been told. The archetype has been awakened within you. Now we bridge the cosmic to the concrete. We move from the starry cliff and the sacred garden into the kitchen, the boardroom, the quiet hour before dawn. This is where the code is written, not in theory, but in ritual, not in longing, but in language. Practice 1. The heart's fire. Installing the core frequency. Recall the alchemist's fire of being. This is your foundational frequency. Wealth in any dimension cannot be built on a foundation of anxious scarcity. You must first become a vibrational match. The ritual, the daily embodying. Every morning, before you check your phone, before you engage with the world's demands, give yourself 5 minutes. Sit. Feel your body, the weight on the chair, the air on your skin. Place a hand on your heart. Breathe into that space, slow, deep. Ask and feel, if I were already living in absolute abundance of time, love, health, and wealth, what would it feel like in my body? Do not think it, feel it. Is it an expansiveness in the chest, a lightness in the shoulders, a quiet, solid confidence in the spine? Locate the physical sensation. Amplify it. With each breath, imagine that feeling growing warmer, brighter, filling your entire torso. This is you igniting the fire of being. You are not visualizing objects, you are downloading the operating system of abundance. Real-world implication. From this frequency, your decisions change. A negotiation becomes an act of creating mutual value, not extracting from lack. A financial decision comes from a place of empowered choice, not panic. You stop chasing and start magnetizing. Practice 2. The dreamer's garden, scripting your inner cinema. The dreamer taught us to water seeds with sensory imagination. Your mind is a movie studio, and you have been letting fear direct B-grade horror films. It's time to become the auteur of your epic. The ritual, mental movie making. Do this once a day, ideally following the heart fire practice. Pick one seed, one specific scene from your desired future. Not, I am rich, but I am signing the contract for my dream project, or I am easily transferring funds into my investment account, or I am receiving a heartfelt thank you from a client I've helped. Direct the scene in first person, present tense. You are the star. See through your own eyes. What are you wearing? Feel the fabric. Look at your hands. Are they steady? Confident? Hear the sounds in the room. Smell the air. Is there a taste in your mouth? Coffee? Satisfaction? Embody the emotion. This is the water. Feel the pride, the calm assurance, the joyful expansion, as if it is happening now. The neurons in your brain do not know the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. You are wiring the success pathway. Real-world implication. This reprograms your reticular activating system, RAS, your brain's filter. It will now start to spotlight opportunities, people, and resources that match the movie you're playing inside. You'll notice the article, hear the idea, meet the person. The world cooperates with a clear signal.
Practice 3. The navigator's compass, the alignment audit. The navigator learned to sense the deeper current. In our world, this current is called alignment. An action taken in alignment generates flow and energy. An action taken from force creates friction and exhaustion. The ritual, the pre-decision pause. Before any significant action, sending an important email, making a purchase, having a difficult conversation, pause. Place a hand on your gut. Breathe. Ask, does this choice feel like an expansion or a contraction?
Does it feel like a flowing yes or a tightening should? Listen to the somatic answer, not the mind's justification, I have to, but the body's whisper. A sense of opening, lightness, or rightness is alignment. A sense of dread, heaviness, or anxiety is force. Real-world implication. This simple pause prevents you from investing life force into dead-end ventures, toxic dynamics, or impulsive buys that create clutter. You begin to invest only in directions that give you energy in return. This is the ultimate wealth strategy, conserving and investing your inner capital. Now let us apply this coded awareness to the very fabric of your life. Watch how the recoding transforms each dimension. Financial life and career. You no longer chase money. You focus on becoming so valuable, so aligned, and so vibrantly in your flow that money becomes a metric of exchange for the impact you are naturally having. Your job becomes a canvas. Health and fitness. Exercise is no longer a punishment for the body you dislike. It is a sacred ritual to honor the temple of your consciousness. You eat not to restrict, but to fuel the fire of being. Vitality becomes your baseline. Love and relationships. From your own fullness you relate. You stop seeking completion and start offering connection. You set boundaries not from resentment, but from self-respect, which is the bedrock of true intimacy. Intellectual life and character. Your mind becomes a clean, sharp tool. You consume information that elevates, not annihilates. Discipline arises not as self-punishment, but as the integrity of keeping promises to your future self. Spirituality and life experience. Every moment becomes sacred. A traffic jam is not an obstacle, it is a meditation chamber. A challenge is not a curse, it is the next level of the game, asking you to level up your code. Your new syntax, the commands you must learn to speak to yourself. Replace "I can't afford it" with "How can I create the value that allows this?" Replace "This is so hard" with "What is this difficulty here to teach me?" Replace "I hope I don't fail" with "I am learning to succeed." Replace "They are so lucky" with "I am decoding the principles of their success and I can apply them in my own way." This is linguistic programming. You are rewriting the source code of your self-talk line by line. The implications are not small, they are total. You are not learning a trick, you are learning a new way of existing. From a creature of reaction to a conscious creator. The garden you tend inwardly blossoms outwardly. The current you align with carries you home. The principles are practiced, the rituals are set. The bridge between inner world and outer reality is now built, sturdy and shining before you.